Hey, it's Aaron, and we'll be going through the solution for the sliced bread. This puzzle is a level 7 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale. This puzzle and many others are available at puzzlemaster.ca. The main goal of this puzzle is to disassemble and reassemble the sliced bread. This interesting... I guess these pockets do kind of look like what you get in bread. I'll give them it. It looks like bread, I guess. Anyway, so to begin, we have these two. You can see this one here, this indent here, and there's another one here that doesn't belong. And these are two very important indents. So we'll find this first one at the top here. So just, if you can tell where it is by how this hole is and this one is, where to locate it, and we just press down. And what this does is this is actually attached to this front plate, and it moves down, and then we can just pull it right out. And that's our first piece. Then our second one, which this was that second hole, we can press it in, and our back plate comes off. And then what we're left with is our two middle plates. And that's it. Reassembly is easy. Take your one piece like that, like this. Now don't get these two confused, because it is possible. They're almost mirrored. Well, they are just mirrored. But this is your end plate, and this is your middle plate. So anyway, we will put that like so. Or will we put that like so? I don't think that's right. Put that like so. Then we will take this plate here, and we'll put it in the end. And over. And then we'll take our first plate, slide it into this hole, maybe. A little sticky. Then you push it up, and it just frictions into fit. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.